So we're standing here about ready to get on the ride. Some of us are excited. Some of us aren't. Some of us aren't. Some of us are picking our noses. Some of us are happy and picking our noses, having our noses picked for us. And some of us are hey hot, hey ho, hey hottie.
Wow.
Oh, and then there's Shannon.
Hey Monica, last night when we were at Denny's,
Yeah?
remember when you had cake?
No,
Remember when you had to order it with H's? I don't know why. Like, cake.
that didn't happen at all. Did that happen, Paula?
Yeah. Yep. Yes.
I don't know.
Thank you, Paula.
Yes.
I take the fifth.
I'm going to go with her last answer, which was no. All right, children, no goofing off in line. Oh, Tasha is apparently one of the wild animals at this park.
Let me get that.
Hi, Richard.
I'm trying to block you.
You're trying to make us sick when we watch this back. Hi, baby. Okay, that's all.